All right, y'all, back with another video. This time I want to talk about the state of politics right now. I don't want to make this channel about politics, but I want to talk about how politics can affect the money game right now. Let's talk about this Trump and Biden debate that's coming up. Okay, so Trump, I don't know if y'all saw the commercial with Biden where he was challenging Trump, and I mean, it just really was crazy to see him like calling out Trump and basically saying, oh yeah, you've been winning. It seemed like kind of like you're looking at a boxing match coming up. So right now there's going to be a lot of attention coming on to this kind of debate coming up here. And I think the main thing we need to know from this is, how do we capitalize on this as business people, entrepreneurs, etc. So there's a few ways. There's one, of course, crypto, where a lot of these political meme coins or whatever are going to go up within this, time frame before the event. And then, we can sell off those right as the event happens. So buy the rumor, sell the news. And then probably we could get back into those same ones the further down we get towards the election line, closer to the election and end of the year. So we probably can buy now and then sell off at the election, which is in June. Or not the election, the debate, which is in June. Re-enter our positions after we have that downtrend, after everybody sells off. Give it like a month after everybody sells off, and then we buy it back in and we wait until late end of the year. Or we could just wait until we see a major dip in crypto before the end of the year and then buy back those same political things after everything dies down with the political stuff. Now, I don't know if it's better to wait for that, because I don't know how much campaigning is going to be done, how much this political stuff is going to be big this year. So I would say just after you see the major dip after the debate, just buy back some and hold and just wait, a couple months and then get back into that. The other way we could, capitalize on something like this would be, to potentially do some kind of social media engagement, or skits or something around this election to get, our following up, because ideally at the end of the day, we want to have a bigger following. And then once we have a bigger following, then, we can capitalize on that and, increase our, following and use that following to kind of make gains. So that's two of the ways I believe we can really capitalize on this. Now, who's going to win, who's whatever, it doesn't really matter to us. What we want is to make that, profit or that gain off of this. So those are my tips for y'all for this whole like Trump Biden thing. As far as business wise, you really want to capitalize on the attention. And once you get that capitalization on the attention, then you can really use that and take that forward and put that into, your next venture. So love y'all. Be easy. Peace.